Text, LG phone.
Troubleshooting power cycling issues on an LG phone.
An LG mobile phone open to the home screen appears.
If your LG phone is turning itself off and then back on for no apparent reason, this is an issue called power cycling. To troubleshoot this issue, please use the following steps. If the phone will remain on long enough, check for a software update. Often an update to the software can resolve this issue. You can view the steps for checking for a software update in our software update video linked in the description. If there wasn't a software update, or if the update did not help, or if the phone will not let you check for an update, then we'll need to boot the phone into safe mode. Our safe mode video, linked in the description, will show you how. If safe mode resolves the issue, then begin uninstalling any apps that were installed or updated right before the power cycling began. To check for recently updated or installed apps, open the Google Play Store. Then tap on the profile picture at the top right.
The instructor clicks the colored triangle icon and then the profile picture in the upper right-hand corner.
Tap on Manage Apps and Devices, then tap on Manage. The list is automatically sorted by most recently updated or installed, so start from the top down. Once the desired apps are uninstalled, restart the phone to reboot normally and test to see if the power cycling is resolved. If safe mode did not resolve the issue, then you will need to complete a factory data reset. To view steps for completing a factory data reset, please refer to our factory data reset video linked in the description. If none of these options resolves the power cycling issue, then please contact LG customer service. Visit lg.com/us/support to go over repair options, or go to lgmobilerepair.com to submit an RA.
Text, for further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Twitter, Facebook, messaging, email, and telephone icons. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccurate or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, this video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact lg.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company name, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.